In the second part of this chapter, we will study about reserves. When we are saving money for any unknown purpose, we are just saving for any unknown purpose, that money is called reserve. Reserve means amount set aside out of the business. Amount set aside out of the profits of the business to meet future uncertainties. Reserve means amount set aside out of profits to meet future uncertainties. It is called reserve. So in other words, a reserve is meant for meeting any unknown liability. Few examples of reserve: general reserve, capital reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, workmen compensation reserve, etc. But when we are earning profit, from that profit we are keeping some part of that profit for unknown liabilities, for future uncertainties. That is called general reserve. It can be utilized for paying off any of the liability. It can be utilized for any purpose. This is called general reserve from general profit of the business. But if we are earning some capital profits any year, what are capital profits? If we have sold any asset this year, we have purchased an asset for 20 years back, we have sold that asset today at a high price. So out of that capital gain which we are keeping aside, we are not spending the whole capital gain, we are keeping something aside, it is called capital reserve. From normal profit of the business, if we are saving, it is called general reserve. If from capital gains we are saving something, it is called capital reserve. For investment fluctuation, we keep some reserve. We have invested, suppose, some in some shares and debentures of any company. So there is a chance of increase or decrease in the value of the investment. If there will be any decrease, it will be utilized from investment fluctuation reserve. And then workmen compensation reserve. We are having a factory and there are 50 or 100 workers are working in our factory. So we will keep some amount for their compensation. If someone will injure some uh, injury and they have to give money to someone, then the company will keep a workman compensation reserve. It will be utilized for this purpose. So these are the reserve which are set aside for any future uncertainties. And features, now comes the features of reserve. First is bache, it is created out of net profit and divisible profit. As such, the reserves are also termed as retained earning. It is also called retained earnings. You have saved your earnings, you have not spent, or it is also called undistributed profits. These are your undistributed profits. Creation of reserve is not legally necessary. There, the creation of reserve provisions was necessary, but the creation of reserve is not necessary. Normally, it is not created to meet known liability. Normally, it is not created to meet known liability. Sometimes we create for known liability. It is always created for unknown liabilities. Then which a reserve represents the undistributed or accumulated profits. They represents the accumulated profits which we have saved for future. They are those profits which we have saved for future. And when The amount of reserve is invested outside. When we are keeping it in our business inside, then it is called reserve. If it is invested outside, it is called reserve fund. When a reserve become fund, when it is invested outside the business. Got my point, bache? When we are saving something for future uncertainties, that is called reserve. And reserve is retained earning. It is called retained earning or undistributed profits. Then the creation of reserve is not legally necessary. It is made to meet unknown liabilities. It represents the accumulated profits of the company. And then if you are investing the reserve outside the business, it will be called reserve fund. Any doubt till features? Now bache, importance or purpose of reserve. Why we are making the reserves? Why we are making reserves? Helpful in meeting unforeseen liabilities. Helpful in meeting unforeseen liabilities. Any unknown liability we are able to meet. If we are having some reserves, we are easily able to meet the unforeseen liabilities. Helpful in strengthening the financial position of the business. Helpful in strengthening the financial position. But the person who is having some money in hand is more financially strong. Okay, so these funds makes us financially strengthened. Equalization of dividend over the year. Now what is dividend? The part of profit which we are giving to shareholders is called dividend. Every year whatever we are earning profits, we have to give a part to shareholders as dividend. If in any year, suppose we are giving every year good profits and good dividends, but one year we do not want to give the dividend, and suppose we have earned loss, what will happen then? If we will declare less dividend, what will happen? The market value of shares will be down and the image of the company will be in danger. So in that case, if we are having reserve, we will give that year dividend from the reserves. So it will save the image of the company in the market. So equalization, we have equalized the dividend. Whatever we have paid in previous years, na, we will give equal dividend this year also if we are having reserves. Then bache, provide funds for meeting specific liabilities. Certain specific liabilities are there. If, because this is not sure that some worker will injure some injury or some accident will be there, there is no possibility, but still we are keeping something for that. Some specific liabilities can arise like workman compensation, investment fluctuation. It is not sure that fluctuation will be there, but we have to keep something for specific liabilities, and that specific liability we are keeping reserve for them. These were the importance of reserve. But what is reserve? When we are saving something for unknown future purposes, that is called reserve. Reserve means amount set aside out of profit to meet future uncertainties, any purpose they can serve. Examples: general reserve, capital reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, workman compensation reserve. Features: These are also called retained earnings and undistributed profits because we have saved from the profits. It is the creation of reserve is not legally necessary. It is utilized for unknown liabilities. These are a representation of accumulated profit. These represent the cumulative profits. And if we are investing this money outside the business, it will be called reserve fund. And what is the importance of reserves? Helpful in meeting future uncertainties and helpful in strengthening the financial position of the business. If we are having money, we have saved money, we are financially strong. Equalization of dividend over the years. If in any year we are not able to give the dividend, we will give the dividend from these reserves. We can utilize these reserves for giving as dividend. Then for meeting specific liabilities, we should have reserve.